Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to change Instagram note color. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to change your Instagram's note color, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Instagram and slide open to your DMs. Once you find this, find the option called note. Once you find the note, you can simply type your note right there and simply press hold that particular note which you have written. Now you will get different colors as an option. You can select any color you want to apply and tap on apply button. After you have done this, you can simply hit the share button to share it, but you can also add music to it by tapping on the music option. You can now link your Spotify or simply add any music that is available on your Instagram music. After this, you can hit the share button and you're all got your Instagram's note color. Now you can use the same way to change your colors. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.